I love you guys too.
You know, it's important that we accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. That's why electric cars, it matters whether electric cars happen sooner or later.
So in order to take my front photo of the house, I need to stand right about here in the front, right? So normally I'd like to park over here because, you know, there's not much space here. There's wood, all sorts of stuff here. I want to park in the driveway. So we're gonna take the photos first, right here in the front. Summon's in.